This is Mike from ProLift Garage Doors in Birmingham, Alabama. And we're here today to talk about something that I think is super important, especially this time of year. You know, we always try to bring you something on this channel that helps you do things yourself or help you figure out how to repair a garage door or a garage door opener. And this time of year, we run across something that just really drives me nuts, really disturbs me, and that is people being overcharged. You may not know it, but in the home services industry, most companies allow their technicians to charge whatever they can get away with for a repair, is probably the best way to put that. So if they think that, hey, you got family coming over and you need this fixed right away, it's the holidays, hey, you don't have any time, you just need it fixed, they're going to charge you a whole lot more than they would somebody that's thinking about it or getting multiple estimates or things like that. Now at ProLift Garage Doors, we don't allow our technicians to adjust prices based on what they perceive to be a customer's threshold. We have fixed prices in our computer, and if you check our reviews, you'll see that most of our customers comment about how reasonable and affordable we are, and that's very important to us. So we don't care if you live in, Beverly Hills or somewhere else. You're going to pay the same price, a fair price for our services. Now let me give you some examples of what I'm talking about, and this applies to garage door companies, HVAC companies, plumbing companies, anything like that. But specifically to garage door companies, most of the repairs we do are not super expensive. They shouldn't be. We ran across a customer last week who had recently had what we call a garage door reset done. That just means that the rollers have come off the tracks and maybe the door is all crooked and whatever. And that's a service we charge $299 for. We ran across a customer who was charged $1,600 for that repair by another company here in town. Similarly, we ran across a lady who got new garage door openers put in, 3 of them. And we didn't do it, she didn't call us. And the company that did it put in Home Depot, Chamberlain garage door openers. They left her existing chain rails. They didn't even bother replacing that. And they charged her $800 per opener. Well, that is way above what that should cost, especially given that they didn't even bother to change out the rail system that goes to the door. So there's a lot of people out there that are not treating people right. If you're getting a home services project done, a repair done, again, it doesn't really matter what it is. If it seems too high, you need to check around. And if you want to call ProLift for a garage door repair, we'd be more than happy to help you out. But do not let yourself fall victim to the overpriced scammers that take advantage of people this time of year. Again, this is Mike with ProLift Garage Doors. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time.